Here is how to start selling on Fancily. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you a complete process of how you can start selling on Fancily. So let's start. First of all, go to fancily.com. Then after you'll come to an interface like this. Now the first step is to create your account. For that, you can easily sign up using various sign up options such as using your Google account or your Twitter account or your Twitch account. So select the one that you want and then create your new account. Now after you have successfully signed up your account, the first thing that you need to do is set up your username. For that, tap on the profile icon on the top left. Then after go to profile. Now inside of profile, tap on this profile option once again. After that, you can easily edit your display name and other things. After entering all the details, tap on save and the changes will be saved. Now that you have set up your username, make sure to upload a profile photo. Then after, tap on the profile icon on the top left once again and then tap on become a model. In order to start selling on Fancily, first of all, you will have to become a verified content creator. For that, you will have to submit this application including various details such as a photo of your ID card, your personal details such as your name, address and other details. So fill out the form as it asks, then after submit it. After you submit your application, your profile will be verified in a couple of days if your details are correct. Then as you get verified, you can start uploading photos or videos on the Fancily platform. Then after, start selling your content. So this is the basic outline of how you start selling on Fancily. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.